In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover email in Zoho Mail. If you've accidentally deleted an important email, don't panic. There's a good chance you can retrieve it using a few simple steps. Today, I'll walk you through the process of recovering emails from your trash or spam folder in Zoho Mail. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the trash or spam folder in your Zoho Mail web interface. These folders are essential because they're where deleted emails are temporarily stored. Zoho Mail retains these messages for about 30 days, providing you a window of opportunity to restore anything you may have deleted by mistake. So, let's head over to the web interface and locate these folders. You can usually find them in your sidebar alongside other mail categories such as Inbox and Sent. Once you're in the trash or spam folder, take a moment to locate the specific emails you want to recover. It helps to have an idea of what you're looking for, maybe the sender's address, subject line, or a particular date. Browsing through these messages, check the boxes next to the emails you wish to retrieve. Selection is simple, and Zoho makes it user-friendly by allowing you to click and choose multiple emails at once if needed. Don't rush this step. Ensure you're selecting all the emails you need. Next, let's talk about the crucial step of moving your selected messages. Look up to the top of your screen for the Move To option. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear, offering you different folder options where you can move your emails. The most common choice is to move them back to your inbox, which is straightforward enough. However, if you prefer to organize them directly into a specific folder, you can certainly do that as well. Just click the destination folder from the drop-down list, and Zoho does the rest for you. It seamlessly transfers the messages, restoring them to their designated place. This process successfully recovers emails deleted within the last 30 days, thanks to Zoho's ability to temporarily store them in the trash or spam folders. It's a neat feature that helps ensure you don't lose vital communications easily. However, do keep in mind that after the 30-day period, emails are permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. So, it's a good habit to regularly review your trash and spam folders to retrieve anything important before that time runs out. And that's it. You've learned how to recover emails in Zoho Mail effectively. Next time you accidentally delete an email, remember these steps, and you should be able to restore it in no time. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Have a great day, and happy emailing.